How to register an HTX account. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of registering an HTX account, one of the most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, with strong security and a user-friendly interface. To register an account and get special offers from HTX, visit coinaz.net/HTX. Or click on the HTX account registration link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email address or phone number. Then click Sign Up. Please drag the slider to complete the captcha. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your inbox. This is the email I received from HTX. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is your verification code. Please copy this code. Then, paste it here. Next, create a password for your account. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. Click Begin your HTX journey. Your account has been successfully registered. Next, you need to complete identity verification to receive rewards and unlock all HTX services. Click here. Then click here. Choose either personal verification or institutional verification. There are 3 verification levels. First, let's complete level 1 verification. Click Verify now. Select your nationality, then enter your last name, first name, and date of birth. Check this box. Then click Submit. Next is basic verification. Click Verify now. In this section, you will upload photos of your identification document. Please choose one of the following documents: ID card, passport, or driver's license. I'll choose ID card. Here are the requirements for uploading your document photos. Now, I'll upload the front and back of the ID card. After uploading both sides, click Submit. The final step is advanced verification. Click Verify now. Now you will complete facial verification. Click Begin Check. Click here to access the camera. Please follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Advanced verification is now under review. The result will be sent to you via email. Now, I'll show you how to secure your account. First, click here. Then select Security. I'll show you how to enable Google Authenticator. The first step is to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Now, I'll guide you through downloading this app. First, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. Then select Scan a QR code. Google Authenticator wants to use your camera. Click Allow. Now, scan the QR code provided by HTX. You've successfully added the code to the Google Authenticator app. Now, go back to the HTX website. Enter the verification code generated by Google Authenticator. Click Submit. Click Get Verification Code. HTX has sent a verification code to your email. Check your email, copy the code, and paste it here. Click Confirm. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator. Similarly, you can enable other security methods by following HTX's instructions. I've just shown you how to register an HTX account. Wishing you success.